Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the Cyberpunk 2077 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cyberpunk 2077 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. From this page, go ahead and click on Settings. And now within the Settings page, you will see Language at the top. Just click on this option, and now you can choose for the language, for the in-game audio, the subtitles as well as the interface. Just click on the slider at the right side to look at the various different languages that are available. And once you choose your desired language, for all of these, you will see the apply button at the bottom. Go ahead and click on it, and now your chosen language has been applied to your game right away. You can go back and continue your game, and now your settings have all been applied. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the Cyberpunk 2077 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.